Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about chevron tile size. Okay, chevron tiles. How to create chevron tiles. Okay, simple. Okay, first make sure you got AutoCAD. You can draw the pattern in AutoCAD, any pattern you want, or actually. Okay, after that come to AiHouse. Okay, remember chevron. Then use this function called tiles. Okay, tiles. Then double click on the floor, same thing, or in the custom tiles. Simple as that. You may go to material entry, this one, or water jet. We trick it as water jet. You just draw something different pattern water jet you want, then import it. Okay, import water jet. So let's say I import the file. This one should be this one, chevron DWG. Okay, can use DWG file already now. Or you see here. Okay, open. Just open only. Then first thing you need to do is put some make sure the pattern is correct. Okay, if not correct, then you can edit it. But I think it's okay, so next. Okay, next after that you put the tiles you want, you like, so I like this one. Just drag this one. Okay, put in, click, 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 click. Fill in the blank only, fill in the blank only. Also the tiles now got pattern, got color, got material. Then you save it. So this pattern will save in AiHouse already. So when I want to use, I will come to my library, water jet. So just now I save this one, right? Okay, I double click on the wall floor. So if you want to use, just drag only. Oh, this is the tile size. So if you want to copy, no need copy lah. My suggest you just drag only. Drag is easier than you copy. Drag, then you paste it. Or you can use this also, this section. Okay, let's say 1200, enter. Then this one I give it 1200, enter. So they will match, or just up to you how to control only. Okay, so maybe I put other pattern. Okay, this one I'll put other pattern. Then I'm gonna move it. Put here. Okay, so you can continue create. Thanks for watching. Bye.